Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales. I've got a really cool bumper pull. This is a 2014 Adam 2-horse straight load duet. It's an aluminum skin, steel frame, wood floor trailer. As you can see, it has an awning. It has a power jack. It has 110 outlets on the front. So let me back up and just kind of give you this side view. This has a rear ramp and Dutch doors. The saddle area is here. Has a head divider. I'm just gonna spin around. All right, so 2-horse straight load. Excellent condition. There's no tears on the pads or the butt or chest bars. Roof vents. Okay, so basically I'm just going to show you. It does have one full escape door, spare tire. So this little trailer has a living quarters. Does have a power awning, so it has a microwave, sink, fridge, and it has 2 bunk beds. These bunk beds do fold down and the legs do store underneath the box here, so it's got power outlets. I'm just going to come in and spin around. So it's a very small, compact place, but again, 2 people could stay in this little trailer. Sink, fridge, power awning, AC. Carolina Trailer Sales, 2014 Adam 2-horse straight load. I'd call this a weekender. AC, fridge, microwave, little sink. Thanks a lot, guys.